Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs. Today we're going to be doing something special. We're going to be doing some beer battered shrimp, you guys. So I'm about to show you how to do the batter, and we'll get over to dipping in these, shrimp and fry them up, guys. All right, you guys, so these are the ingredients to battering the shrimp. So, we have the batter, pretty much simple and easy. I already used it last time, Louisiana kind or whatever you like. And since it's beer batter, gotta have you some beer. So Budweiser is the favorite. And this is about a half a pound of shrimp. So let me get to making the beer batter, and then we'll be dipping in the shrimp next. So that's all you need, guys. All right, now we're gonna make the beer batter for the fish. So you want to add in a half a cup of your beer battered mix. So you can get this mix, I think I showed you right here, from any store. I like to use this one, it's pretty good. I have some good seasoning, but if you want to add in some more seasoning, you can. You can add it onto your fish, to give it more, some more flavor. Next, we're gonna do is add in your beer. So what you want to do is you want to whisk it in slowly. You know what I'm saying? So stir it around. Incorporate it all in. Beer, stuff like that. Mind you, supposed to get to a thick consistency. And the reason why I use this one, I didn't use the whole bag because I'm going to use in one fillet that I chopped up. So we don't want to use it, but you can use the whole bag. The original recipe is actually using the whole bag and a half of either club soda or, one 8-ounce bottle of beer. So get it to this consistency right here, and we're gonna add in the fish next. All right, so we're gonna get ready to fry these shrimp up. Definitely gonna check the temperature. If you got a thermometer, I got a ThermoPro. That I check my temperature to make sure I got the proper temperature. ThermoPro works very well. Stuff like that. You want to make sure your temperature is at 375 degrees when you're frying up fish or any kind of seafood. So just checking for the temperature. So now that we're at 375, I'm about to get some dipping, guys. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip the shrimp. Like I said, you don't have to. One thing I notice people doing is they actually put all their shrimp in. I don't, because it builds a film in there, and it becomes watery, and you don't want that. So yeah, just dip it in there a little bit. I thin this batter out because you don't want it, too thick, because you definitely want the shrimp to cook. So just put it in slowly, away from you. You know what I'm saying? That's the key, is to drop it in away from you. Because you want that splashing back on you. So let me drop the rest of these in here, and I'll be taking them out. All right, so now we're gonna be taking them out. They're pretty much done. You don't have to have them on there for too long of a time. Make sure you put them on. I use a straining rack. It helps, strain the oil off of it. You see that the batter is real light on it because I didn't want it to be really, really thick. Now, if you can thicken up your batter. But with shrimp, kind of want it in between, like kind of a tempura, lightly battered, but not too heavy. Yep. All right, you guys. So we're gonna try out, this beer battered shrimp. You know what I'm saying? I know everybody been trying to get on me about it. I want to see you eat it. So I'm gonna try it out. Well, I know my food tastes good, so I ain't gonna try it out. So here we go, you guys. Flavor good. Batter Excellent. And for those who be wondering, like, do you taste the beer? No, you can't taste nothing. It's just real flavorful. So you guys definitely try this recipe out. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. This is an excellent recipe. I definitely enjoyed it. It tasted really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you try it, leave a comment below.